JetBlue announcing plans to begin transatlantic flights starting in 2021. Joe, JetBlue up today.
Finally doing the right thing. So they're going to London. Next will be Paris. Next will be Amsterdam. Robin Hayes listen, JetBlue has been in a range for the last couple of years. It's been between 14 and 24. Really can't get out of its own way. I think you want to follow along what they're doing here. They're doing some of the right things. I'm not necessarily sure, though, you're going to jump in and buy it because of this announcement. You need some fundamental evidence that it's gaining traction.
All right. Waste management moving lower after Stifel downgraded the stock to a hold. Josh.
This has actually been a huge rally in the stock over the last 4 or 5 months. Today is a fairly ominous pattern. If you're at all technically inclined, it looks like it's broken that uptrend. So if you're a new buyer of the stock, I would let it settle out. I would not be jumping in on a candle that looks like this.
All right, industrials up nearly 20% this year as a group. It's a big group. It's an important group, Rob. Do you still like it?
No, really. To be brief about it, really no. I think, a lot of positive news has been priced in on trade. I think everybody thinks there's going to be a lot of progress, and I think you're incredibly vulnerable to a disappointment in trade talks as it relates to industrial.
Okay, well, there you go. Now, Bed Bath & Beyond. The stock is off its lows of the session, but still down 8.5%, posting its first annual loss in nearly its 30-year history as a public company, Carrie.
Yeah, well, Bed Bath & Beyond has had a run recently, but it's a very competitive space. Almost anything you can buy there, you can buy online. It's selling at a 9 multiple. So are many retailers. It's not one that we would go for, despite being down.
All right, finally, Tesla and Panasonic reportedly are putting their gigafactory expansion plans on hold. That's for the batteries. John,
Yep.
You own the calls.
Yeah, I do. I own a call spread in Tesla, and it's just a series of bad news for the company lately. Roth Capital also downgraded them from 270 to 240 today. They're putting this $4.5 billion gigafactory on hold, allegedly. Again, I'm citing Nikkei for that. But if that is the case, it's bad for Panasonic. It might not be as bad for Tesla.